Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Live or Diecast. As always, I want to thank each and every single one of you for tuning into my videos, commenting, and interacting with the channel. You know what today is? It's Wheel Swap Wednesday. That's right, today is Wheel Swap Wednesday, and we are going to be taking this gorgeous yellow Honda S2000. This is from 2022 F case, and we are going to be doing a wheel swap on this beautiful casting. Has the PR5s chrome front and rear. We are going to be taking the wheels, the Real Riders, from this Acura NSX GT3. I think these wheels, these bronze kind of copper looking Real Riders, are going to look wonderful on this yellow S2000. So I'm going to get the camera turned around. We're going to get the S2000 out. We're going to get the Acura out. We're going to do a wheel swap for Wheel Swap Wednesday. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think after it's done. If you liked it, you didn't like it, please leave me your feedback. All right, let's get the camera turned around and let's get into it. Stay tuned. On today's episode of Live or Diecast, it is Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today, we're going to be working on this beautiful yellow Honda S2000, and we are going to be doing some details on the base. The details are already done on the rear, they're already done on the front, sides. Beautiful casting. We're going to add some detail on the base, and we are going to put some Real Riders on this beautiful Honda S2000. So stick around, stay tuned. We're going to get into it. It's Wheel Swap Wednesday. Let's have some fun. Alright, we're going to take our plastic wheels out here, and we're going to be gentle as always and not try to break those tabs off, so we can use them to help hold the wheel axle assembly in place when we put the Real Riders on. So get those out of there. Just put a little bit of pressure, pry them out, and boom, pops right out of there. Set those chrome PR5s over to the side, and we will set our base, clean that up. We'll do some detail work on that, which I'll show that. I'll share that later. And we are going to drill and tap our holes next. Alright, we've got our base drilled and tapped. We've got our screws ran in for a test run. Now we're going to set our base to the side, and we are going to start on our wheel extraction on the Acura. So let's get this thing opened up, and let's follow the steps. And let's get these Real Riders off of this Acura and on to the Honda S2000. Check those wheels out. Check that car out. I mean, this is a sick car. The spoiler, it's all metal base. Beautiful livery. But I think these wheels are going to look sick on this yellow S2000. So let's get this thing drilled. Let's get our 9/64 bit and let's get to it. All right, we've got the rivet heads drilled off. Let's take this thing apart. We'll set the base to the side. And we will take our little end nips here. And we will just cut those little tabs off. There's 3 of them. And just cut the very ends of them. And those wheels will come right out of there. Now let's see if we can do it on this other end. Again, you're just trying to get the very ends off. And then sometimes I just use my little flat screwdriver. Once I get them off and it doesn't come right out, I just get underneath it. Now be easy, because if you're not, you'll bend that axle. But if you put a little bit of pressure, usually they pop right out just like that. So there's our wheels. We've got our wheels extracted from the Acura NSX. I think they missed some black paint there on that base. And we'll set that to the side. We'll do our detail work on our base for the S2000. We'll get our wheels on there. And we'll be right back. All right, well, here's our Acura NSX with the PR5s, which it doesn't look terrible. Not too bad. And here is the S2000. Those wheels look pretty good on there, right? And did some detail work underneath on the exhaust, mufflers. That thing looks sick. I'm gonna get the camera turned around, get a better view of it. All right, here's the Acura NSX. Doesn't look too bad, actually. It's a good looking casting, I think. I mean, it would be hard to make this casting look ugly no matter what wheels you put on it. And then there is the S2000. I think this thing looks sick with those wheels on it. Did some detail work. You can see it in there. On the roll cage, did it in red. Chrome tailpipes, chrome exhaust, details underneath. Got the LOD live or die cast. And she's a roller. Yeah, this thing is sick. So here it is. This is Wheel Swap Wednesday. This one will not be up to give away. This one will be going in my collection on my Honda display. But stay tuned next week. Next week we will be doing a wheel swap on the Gasser. So stay tuned for that. This one will be up for a giveaway. Leave a comment on that video, next week's video. As always, remember, friendliness is free. We all have a purpose. I want to thank each and every single one of you for tuning in to this video, commenting, interacting on the channel. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this wheel swap. Take it easy. Until next time, this has been Live or Die Cast, and I'm out.